Ah, ito old na to. Ito siguro yung walk nila dati. Old oh. Parang likod ng dinosaur yung ano eh. Oo. Wala lang ano to, usap-usap pagbalik.
Let's see.
Uy, tas paakyat?
Hindi, yung ano.
Mamaya.
Sige.
But this one, no, it's already bangin.
Good luck talaga tayo pagbalik ang bus.
Para ka ito, blow mountain ah. Mahirap ko po ah.
You know it, we
Tubo ata tayo dito.
parents, okay?
Ay, may daan dito. Matagod ang daan dito. Ano pa yung daan na yan? Wala, tayo dito.
No jumping, please. Can we please follow instructions, please?
Oh,
No jumping, please.
because I'm a Roblox player.
'Cause
Am I Lucas? Am I Ness? Yeah. We're both from that into the Switch game. Let's go to the
yan, sarap. You should go.
if I fall off to the ocean, I'm going to get eaten by a shark. Inside that ocean, is there some sharks?
Oh, I'll bet there will be sharks there.
Sharks are Australian ocean animals.
Don't walk into the mud,
But
because it's gonna be difficult to walk back with wet shoes. Remember that.
it's waterproof.
Well, even if it's a waterproof, the water stays in your soul,
Are we almost
and it's
there?
oh, look, so pretty.
Does it look like snow? I'm gonna ruin it.
Oh,
I think we're here.
be careful, ah.
It feels like snow.
Walk back here. Ano?
Mainit.
Makita natin yan kung ganyan yung mga... Nagtanong naman kami, sabi ko ba, kung worth it ba yung akyat. Sabi naman ni ate, okay naman daw, stunning daw.
Oh yeah, it's stunning. But you know, it's stunning. No, anak, you cannot put it there. You have to finish it.
Hello.
Carmelo, magkalat dito.
No littering.
Banana.
Yung ibon na yun, ah.
Sabi nila pag may ibon,
Baka andun na. Ha? Ay, madulas to. Parang wala lang naman. Nalagyan kasi siguro nila ng harang. Yun lang.
Pangit.
Ang pangit. Dapat may viewing area man lang. Tay. May namatay na kasi ata dyan eh.
It will fall anytime.
Ah. May crack na kasi. No access onto with 3,000. Tara.
Parang meron kapalitan. Dali. Basta tumawid dyan.
Itong ano pala yun?
Naging solo ka dyan. Alam mo ba yung solo?
Tara. Ay.
옷은 왜 샀어 그래?